383-2024. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Bullock County in southeastern Georgia, Evans County in southeastern Georgia, northwestern Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, north central Long County in southeastern Georgia, central Tattnall County in southeastern Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms along the line extending from Daisy to Reedsville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Prepare now for the following hazards: damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Some locations in the warning include Groveland, Reedsville, Pembroke, Midway, Lanier, Elabelle. Report hail, down trees, limbs, and power lines directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 1-888-383-2024. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.